Are you looking for a move-in ready home in the historic Wolflin neighborhood?
Rebuilt from the studs up in 2007, this nearly 4,700 square foot home features a mother-in-law quarters, a chef's kitchen, and a large master suite. I'm Caroline Harris.
And I'm Ellen Dunn. We're with Triangle Realty, and today we're at 3223 South Crockett.
Let's go inside and check it out.
My favorite things about this home is this gorgeous living room. It's the heart of this house. It leads to a beautiful back patio, and upstairs is a huge game room with endless possibilities.
And check out this beautiful breakfast nook with so much natural light leading into this large kitchen with every stainless steel appliance imaginable. Now, how could you not love this kitchen?